Class 5 Environmental Studies Part 1 Lesson number 18 The Environment and Us Part 2. So students, as you all know that in last lecture we have learned about the deforestation and pollution, right? So let's see further. So here we are going to see about environmental balance. The need in to maintain environmental balance. In previous lesson, we have learned what is meant by environmental balance, right? That each and everyone are dependent on each other. So let's see. Due to human intervention in nature, large scale changes are taking place in the air, water, and land. Also, these non living or abiotic components are getting polluted. As a result, the existence of living things is threatened, while several living things have already become extinct. Now, students, as it is given over here due to the human intervention, what is meant by intervention? Intervention means the action or the process which is going on is known as intervention. That what are the process going on in the nature on the large scale, they changes every day. Okay, it takes different place in air, in water, and also on the land. And also these non-living things and abiotic components are getting polluted, as we have learned in previous lecture about the pollution and deforestation. Okay, so in the same way here all the existence is given in the threatened things, means all they have given in the several living and non-living things, they have already become extinct. If one of the factor of the environment is damaged, its relationship with other factors also get affected and environmental balance is disturbed. From time to time, some of the living things on the earth become extinct. But today, this process is taking place at a much faster rate. This is a threat for the whole living world. Now, students, as you all know that in previous lesson, that is lesson number 4, we have learned about the environmental balance, right? What we have seen in that lesson, that each and everyone, they depend on each other. Okay, suppose the grasshopper. Now, these birds, they have dependent on the grasshoppers, right? So, in the same way, if this any of the one of the animal is being get damaged, okay, if they have inhaled some pollution, they will die. So in this way the food chain or the chain which has been going on will be get disturbed. So we should always stop this pollution and deforestation. Okay, but nowadays this process is taking more place. Nowadays lot of pollution has been done. Therefore, to stop this all, if you all want lots of living things on the earth, we should all stop this. Okay, now next comes our need and the environment. Now our need and the environment, we need many more things, right? As we are human beings, we need to eat food, we need water to drink, right? In the same way, let's see, food, water, and clothes are the needs of all people. We use a lot of things to meet these needs. Beside, we use many means and devices for the purpose of studies, sports, hobbies, and entertainment. Now, students, everyone know what are our needs in our day-to-day life. To live, we need water, food, and clothes, right? And we also need lot of things for our daily purposes, right? Because nowadays the generation is being getting developed. Okay, nowadays all technology has been come over, so we also need the various devices for our daily process, for studies, for sports, okay, for also entertainment. When even stock up these things so that they will available to us whenever we need them. All these things are obtained by using materials from our environment. All the people in the world have similar needs and desires. As a result, the environment is being degraded rapidly. Now, where we are on our own needs, where we get from this all needs, we get it from environment, right? Suppose this environment is being affected, what will happen? The environment will get degraded. Okay, everything will be in the waste. So we also need various materials for our day-to-day life. Where we get this all material from? We get it from our own environment. We need to be aware that we ourselves are a part of a nature. If the balance of a nature is disturbed, it will adversely affect human beings too. Okay, so if everything's, every materials, every products, if they are getting damaged, we should always be aware that we ourselves also are a part of a nature. So we should always balance a nature. It should not get disturbed. It will also help us in a further generation. We need to take steps to prevent the degradation of the environment. The steps should be maintained include using our means frugally and recycling used articles. Such measures should be practiced sincerely by each and every person. Now, students, here it is given that we should always prevent our environment. Okay, stop using plastic bags because they are not recycling again. And what is meant by degradation? Degradation where the soil is being processed. For that, we should not use plastic bags at all. We should use paper bags or the cloth bags. So this all means are getting recycled and various articles have been sincerely practiced. Okay, so each and every person should have this idea that how should we prevent our nature or our environment. Okay, now next, global efforts for protection of environment. Now students, in our environment, that is in our nature, there are also different global efforts to protect our environment. Several projects have been implemented at the international level to maintain the balance in nature. It is important to raise the awareness of people all over the world about the threat to environmental balance. Many countries of the world are enacting laws that will help to prevent the pollution of air, water, and soil. As I told you all, what are these global efforts? Many several projects have been coming, right? Many projects have been getting implemented nowadays. Okay, how they are going through the international level to maintain our balance. Okay, they are doing for a betterment of our nature. So it is important to raise the awareness of the people. Means we should always aware about our nature. Okay, we should not cut trees. We should prevent each and everything from the pollution which is being affected. So this will also protect our environmental balance. Now many countries of our world are enacting the laws. Okay, as our India, they have removed one Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So this is also one law of our country, of our India, how to keep our India clean. So in the same way, many countries are enacting the laws that how to prevent the pollution. Okay, so we should always stop doing air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution. Don't waste water. Take how much water it has been needed. Don't pollute the soil, and also don't burst the crackers in the Diwali vacation, means the air will not get polluted. So this is what we have seen. Okay, thank you.